What's up, everyone? This is your man, Mr. Fulton. I am trying something new, something fresh, and I am trying the Cake Battle Cookie Dough Blizzard from Dairy Queen. And if you can see here, it is cookie dough and some confetti, sprinkles, and rainbow sprinkles. And so I'm going to try it now and see how I like it. So here we go. And this is the part right here. That is the cookie dough part. And the rainbow sprinkles with cake batter. So, thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry I messed up and stuff, but hopefully I can get some more soon. My laptop's been acting weird today. But thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, share, like the stream, share out the stream, and leave a comment and hit the bell icon for more updates. And we will have something for the 4th of July. So I'll be doing a live stream on that. Depends on the weather. So we're gonna probably do the meet and greet with the characters at the library tomorrow morning, and then we'll probably do the fireworks on the 4th, and do a live stream on for Flying Toasters or the Bishops. So I hope you guys enjoy your 4th of July weekend and have a safe and happy 4th of July. Thanks, guys. Bye.